Okay, everyone. So now we are discussing the next program, that is program to print series n, n minus 1, n minus 2 up to 1. So now see the series. It is saying n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus up to 1. Now this n value will be given by the user. So this is the starting value. Now let us suppose that user has entered the value of n is 5. So it will be 5 plus 5 minus 1, because n minus 1 is 5 minus 1 4, plus n minus 2 means 5 minus 2, that is 3, plus up to 1. So this will be our end value or the condition. Now this time user is giving us the starting value as n and the ending value is 1. So now we are going on the program. Hash include stdio.h, which is standard input output header file for scanf and printf functions. Then hash include conio.h, that is console input output for clear screen and getch functions. Void main, this is the main function. Then int n, so one variable n is declared. I, so one variable I is declared. S is equal to 0, so S is declared and the value of S is 0. So we are assuming that there is no value of sum right now. Clear screen, screen is cleared. Printf, enter the value of n. So message on the user screen is enter the value of n. Let us suppose user enters as 5. Now scanf percentage %d and n, so integer value is stored at the location of n. So this 5 is stored at the n variable. For running the loop, we must know the start value, and we know that the start is n. So we are saying for I is equal to n. We should be having some condition, and condition is ending with the I. And we know that n is greater than 1. So I greater than equal to 1, and this time it is decrementing and decrementing with the 1 value, that is minus 1. So if we say I is equal to I minus 1, or we are saying I minus minus, both are the same thing. So here we are saying I minus minus. Now if I run this for, first of all it is saying I equal to n. So the value of I is n and n is 5. Checking the condition, I greater than equal to 1. So this 5 greater than equal to 1. Yes, 5 is greater. It will come inside the bracket. Printf percentage %d for the integer value, taking the value from I, and the value of I is 5. So 5 is printed on the user screen. Then S is equal to S plus I. So S plus I, 0 plus 5, the new value is 5. Coming back, I minus minus, so 5 minus 1 is 4. Checking the condition, I greater than equal to 1, so 4 is greater than equal to 1, true. Coming down, then printing the value of I, so 4 is printed. Then sum is equal to S plus I, so 4 and 5 becoming the 9. Going back, I minus minus, the value of I is 3 now. Checking the condition, I greater than equal to 1, 3 greater than equal to 1, true. Coming down, printing I, 3 is printed. Sum is equal to sum plus I, so 9 plus 3 is 12. Coming back, I minus minus, the value of I is 2. Checking condition, I greater than equal to 1, so 2 is greater than equal to 1, true. Coming down, printing I, so the I is printed as 2. Then again, S is equal to S plus I, so 12 plus 2 is 14. Coming back, I minus minus, the value of I is 1. Checking the condition, I greater than or equal to 1. So 1 is greater than or equal to 1. Yes, 1 is not greater, but 1 is equal to 1. Condition true. Coming down, printing I. So 1 is printed. Again, S is equal to S plus I. So 14 plus 1 is 15. Coming back, I minus minus, the value of I is 0. Checking the condition, I greater than or equal to 1. So 0 is neither greater and nor equal to 5. So it will come out the for loop. Print slash n for the new line, sum of series. So sum of series is printed. Percentage D means printing the integer value taking from the S, and the value of S is 15. So this 15 is printed on the screen. Get ch for holding the screen and program will come out. So this was the program to print the series n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 up to 1.